Account locked on Seeking Alpha fix. You open Seeking Alpha to read the latest stock insights or check your watch list, but your account is suddenly locked. Don't worry, this happens more often than you think, and the fix is easier than most expect. Seeking Alpha uses strong account protection systems that automatically lock profiles after multiple failed logins or suspicious activity. Sometimes, even using a PIN or logging in from a new country can trigger a lock. Here's what to do. First, go to the login page and click Forgot Password. Enter your registered email address, and you'll receive a password reset link. Follow it to set a new, secure password and then log back in. If you don't receive the reset email, check your spam folder. Still nothing? Try using a different browser or disable browser extensions that may block login cookies. If your account remains locked, contact Seeking Alpha support through their help portal. Provide your registered email and describe the issue clearly. They may ask for confirmation, such as recent activity, or a secondary verification step before restoring access. To avoid this problem in the future, always log in from familiar devices, keep your email verified, and avoid excessive failed attempts. The surprising truth is, Seeking Alpha's account locks are not errors. They are designed to prevent unauthorized access and keep your investment insights safe. Once you reset your password and confirm your identity, you'll be back to reading market news and analysis within minutes.